WRX or GTI? Which one sounds better when they both have aftermarket exhausts on? Well, today, we're gonna find out. Don't fucking ever interrupt me again. I don't want you guys to worry. I didn't buy a Subaru. I'm not...
Yeah, he's not cool enough.
Yeah, that's the word I was looking for.
Unfortunately, Joey doesn't like fast cars.
But I'm sure you recognize this car if you've seen my shorts or if you follow me on Instagram, GGGTI.
Stock Wanda. Yeah, they've also...
And stock Wanda. My GTI has an aftermarket exhaust. If you haven't seen it in the last video, watch it right now. It sounds amazing. Charlie boy.
I just got myself the same exact branded exhaust. A little bit different. It's not a straight pipe or anything. It's an axle back. But I'll bet anything that it's going to sound better than Joey's.
We'll see about that.
Spoiler alert. It's the Elantra right over there.
That's going to be the best sounding car here.
What's in the box? What's in the box? Oh yeah, bud. Those are the tips. Marked MBRP. I think it's really tastefully done, to be fair. Oh, look at the size.
That's gorgeous.
In the industry, we call that the gorilla nostrils. Got taxes and everything. It was just under 600 bucks. I say you can't get a better deal when it comes to a name-branded axle-back exhaust. You can probably get something cheaper from Amazon, but I wouldn't go that path. That's
really what I'm doing.
Is it?
Yeah, but you drive a shit box, so. So we also got this thing to make working on the car quite a lot easier. What are these things called?
Creeper.
Creeper. Oh. Let me see how comfortable this thing is.
Wow, that's the action of there you go.
It's time to get started. We got our little workstation, back of the Golf. Stop. How does it look in there? Fuck, I didn't even film it.
You guys didn't see anything you weren't supposed to, did you?
No, not at all.
Alright, cool. Yo, these bolts are actually not bad at all.
So these massive mufflers are what we're replacing. So
Assuming I'm gonna save around 30 pounds of weight.
yeah, we'll test that out. So we just got these two bolts that we're gonna crack open and then the hangers, and then we should be good to go. Stop destroying my pin! How does it feel? You're about to work on a car for the first time ever.
Kinda
Oh, is that how you feel?
Yeah.
I would say this is quite the opposite, but...
Good.
There you go. Boy, all this hard work got me real hungry. What the fuck, bro? Bro, it's getting caught on the fucking suspension, dude. See, look.
Okay.
The hanger's right there.
One hanger out.
One hanger's out.
One is...
Other one's over there.
Okay.
But then this is in the way. I got my double wishbone in the way.
So you can't slide the exhaust out, but try sliding the hanger.
Oh, he's got a muffler on his chest.
It's fucking not good, though. What the fuck is that liquid, bro? Oh, WD-40. Yeah, this is not good. Fuck. Oh, yeah.
Oh yeah.
Bro, it is so...
Suitcase. Look at the size of it. Oh, it's heavy too. Yo, that's weight savings. Yeah, we should do a measurement. Like I'll stand on a scale with it and see how much we're saving weight-wise.
Let's get the other one out.
Yes, sir. It's a boy.
It's a boy.
It's a boy.
So that is... So 11 pounds? Does that feel like 11 pounds?
Yeah, you could. Yeah, it could be 11 pounds.
22 pounds.
So 22 pounds of total weight. And then for the aftermarket, you're saving 5 or 6 pounds. So it's about 6 pounds per side. So about 12 pounds total.
Oh, okay.
That's actually not as much as I was expecting, but
I expect like 30 pounds. This looks big.
that looks huge. But it's mostly hollow. This is the little fucker that almost ended our day. All right, boys, get him.
I am under the water.
Why did you waterboard the boat? Oh. Now, I know what you're thinking. You're like, oh, why don't you start it up without the mufflers, straight pipe, before you put the exhaust on? It's not gonna make much of a difference, really, because the pipes are just straight through anyway.
Voice cracked.
It was a nut on the inside.
Yeah, so like I'm looking at
Yeah.
Oh, I just realized what he said after he said it. Dude!
According to this cunt. The Elantra is manual. Because it does go vroom 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 on reverse.
Oh.
Yeah. The best snack in the fucking world, dude.
Rust is good for the body.
I don't know how you manage to look both like a child and a child predator. Woo! That looks mint. Look at that. Second one. Did you not put the clamps on? Like, how does that fitment look to you?
Yeah, this is good.
Okay, let me tighten. Just straddle the thing, stand right in the middle, and just look with your eyes.
I think it's good, yeah?
I think it's good.
I think it's good.
The exhaust is on.
Exhaust is on.
Let's see
What it sounds like. Interrupt you one more time, my name is Joe.
Let's see what it sounds like, and we're gonna get the owner back here waiting while I start the car so that he can hear it for the first time.
Get the f out of here, give me the keys.
Let it rip! Yeah. That's a pretty loud cold start.
My neighbors are not gonna like me very much after this, but...
And it looks so good.
Why is it vaping so much?
Like car, like owner.
Like car, like owner.
But it doesn't have like an obnoxious idle.
It does not, it does not.
Do it again, do it again.
Is that my car?
That's your car, dude.
Stop.
The time is now. We're gonna find out which of the two cars sound better. The Golf GTI with the MBRP straight pipe but resonated catback exhaust.
Or the WRX with the axle back muffler delete. Let's see which one's gonna sound better. I mean, obviously I'm biased, but you guys tell me what you think.
Yeah, you might be biased, but you're definitely wrong.
Don't ever talk to me like that again on camera.
So what do you guys think? Is it the GTI or is it the WRX?
The GTI does have its merits, and so does the WRX. GTI will pop and bang. The WRX will have its sick, spooky turbo sounds. Let us know what you guys think.
And thank you for watching.